Do you know how to use Valvoline Brake Cleaner? Why it's important, how to do it, what to look for? My name is Deon, and I have the answers. Valvoline Brake Cleaner is a versatile, effective product with a powerful delivery rate. To use the product, simply apply it to the components that you would like to clean. In this case, we are stripping down the front brakes of a Skoda Octavia. Remove the front wheel, following the safety process previously detailed in the previous videos how to change a wheel. Remove the front brake caliper. Undoing the two rear retaining bolts, remove the caliper from its carrier, remove the brake pads from the caliper, then using a brush and a scraper and the brake cleaner, clean the braking system in preparation for reassembly. Valvoline Brake Cleaner is an easy and effective way to remove brake dust and deposits, reducing harmful airborne hazards for service technicians. The unique formulation dissolves brake deposit residue and grease, then carries it away as liquid runoff. The cleaner then evaporates quickly, leaving brake surfaces free of dust, deposits, and cleaner residue. Also use this to spray onto and protect any electrical cables such as the battery connection cables. An initial application is recommended before the brake service begins, with additional applications after removal of the brake calipers and pads. Valvoline Brake Cleaner CO2 formulation eliminates cleaner residue. The 360-degree spray valve allows the can to be used in all directions, up and down, for easy application. And Valvoline Brake Cleaner is safe for all ABS systems.